Hello again, everybody. Back out on my paddleboard here in Santa Cruz, Monterey Bay, and I thought I'd stop and talk to you guys about upwelling. Upwelling is something that is really important to the system here. So, to keep it simple, what happens is the winds start blowing, and because of the way that the earth spins and some physics that we're not going to get into, that wind causes the top layer of water to get pushed offshore. And what happens is that the water underneath that is upwelled to the surface. Why is this important? Besides that it makes our ocean water just a little bit colder, is that water from deep is cold, and it's also really high in nutrients. And so those nutrients come to the surface. And phytoplankton likes this because, like plants, phytoplankton needs what? Nutrients and sunlight to grow. So when those nutrients are brought from the deep up to the surface, they hit the sunlight. Awesome for the phytoplankton. Phytoplankton populations explode. And that's good for the zooplankton, which are all of the little tiny swimming organisms. So things like krill are then able to feast on all of that phytoplankton, and their populations boom. And that's important for the whales and the mammals and everybody else, seabirds who eat the krill. So we have this really cool dynamic here that upwelling creates. And I think the coolest way to think about it is also the name of a research project done by some professors at UC Santa Cruz called From Wind to Whales. And you can really track it, that the winds arrive in the spring, and then we can see the phytoplankton populations explode in the water, followed by the zooplankton, and then lo and behold, the whales start to show up. So there you go, a little bit of knowledge about upwelling for you today. Take care.